Hello and welcome to my new bicycle. It's the Brompton B75 and the colour is, Brompton said was water blue, but it's not, it's sea green. Look, that's blue and that ring is green. This is green. Anyway, I absolutely love it. This is the cheapest Brompton you can buy at the moment. The colour is a special edition colour, and I'm not going to say it hasn't got this, it hasn't got that. I'm going to tell you what it does have and why it's good and what you can do with it. So this bike cost me £695. Online it's going for £745. Why did I get it cheaper? Because the bicycle shop had a trade-in offer where you can trade in an old bike and you get £50 off your new one. So what I did was I went to a second-hand shop and I bought a bike for £1 and then took it and got £50 off. So this is it. What's different to a normal standard Brompton? Well, first of all, we'll start at the bottom, hey? We've got the Schwalbe racer tyres. They do have the reflective around the edge, so that's fine. You can get away with that. There's no mud guards, but a set of mud guards will cost you probably £25, not really a lot. It has a reflector here. It's got your front mounting block mount here. You can buy them, they're £15, but normal Bromptons don't come with them either. Sorry. The grips are different. Instead of the spongy grips or the new screw-on grips, these are rubbery grips, which I like better because the spongy ones that are normally on Brompton, they kind of rub away a lot, and these ones are quite grippy. I like the feel of them, and I think they'll last a bit longer. The brakes are the old model. That doesn't mean there's any wrong with them, but they're just the older model, but it's a new bike. So what else is new? Well, the seat is different. The seat hasn't got the Brompton logo in it, and it's actually spongier and squishier, which is better for me personally. So let's have a look. So you've got the spongy gel seat, which I actually prefer. Coming down here, the pentaclip is not there. It hasn't got the pentaclip. It's got the old-fashioned saddle mount there, but you can buy them, that's not a problem. Think of this as a Mr. Potato Head, just the standard box, and you can do what you want with it, okay? So don't be like shied away just because it's got some things that are different. You can buy all these things very cheaply. The seat post is not the standard length, it's a bit longer, right? So I don't want that longer length, I want the shorter one. But in Evans at the moment, they've got the Brompton seat post, the standard length, for £3. I bought 5 of them. Okay, so you can swap that out, that's not a problem. You've got the bung at the bottom, which is already there, that's quite good. You've got the standard new easy wheels, that's normal. The suspension block is white, which I really like, instead of either the standard or the firm. You've got the Sturmy Archer 3-gear hub there. And the other thing which is different are the pedals. Now, these are the non-folding pedals. If you, it's just an idea, if you go to Evans at the moment, you've got till the weekend, then it changes. Take an old bike or get one from a second-hand shop, or do a bit of magnet fishing and get one out the canal. Take it there, get your £50 off, then you can get, if you wanted to, you could get a folding pedal set for £35 for the folding one and about £5, £7 for the non-folding one. So you're saving yourself money. It's got the B75 sticker because this is when the person, Andrew Ritchie, who invented the Brompton, first got the idea of having a Brompton. A lot of people have asked, what's this silver thing here? That is because it hasn't got any mud guards. This is to keep the brake cable away from the wheel. That's what that does. Anyway, I do not like mud guards anyway, or fenders. You can get them. They cost, I think, probably £30. You can get them cheaper on eBay or whatever. So I'm really, and this is a 3-gear bike, if I haven't told you that. 3-gear. You've got the bell. Let's have a look at the little bell. Oops, I can't get at it. Oh, where's my bell go? Oh, it's got a bit bent now, hasn't it? It's been in the car. Oh, my nail varnish is going to get ruined. Anyway, so this is my new Brompton. As I said, the colour's kind of like a teal sea blue, a lot darker than the Turkish green, completely different colour actually, and it's a completely different colour to the lagoon blue or the cobalt blue. Anyway, that's a new little look at this bike. I think it's gorgeous. I love it to bits, and I made another video which I will be putting up very shortly about how I got the pound bike and what happened, and actually buying the Brompton. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to support this channel just by clicking on the like button and sharing it. Please share it on your Facebook or any other Facebook groups about Brompton, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.